What is good, you guys? Shawani, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Lanie and you are about to subscribe, baby. Please do subscribe, click the subscribe button, and also do hit that notification bell so that you do get notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, today's video is a hairstyle tutorial. No, not a hairstyle tutorial. Is a installation tutorial. I'm going to show you how I installed this baby with no glue, no gel whatsoever. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I installed this here with no glue, and this hand is stuck to the guards. Do you see? Like, it's going nowhere. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I did all of that. If you are interested, please do stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye. Okay guys, so we're going to lay our wig with the Perfect Choice Spritz. I saw this technique has been trending, and I was like, why not? Let me try it also and see if it works. And I tell you guys, I was so impressed. So what you do is you just spray your spritz where you would normally put on your gel or your glue or your spray whatsoever, so after that you take your lace front wig and you just melt it with a hair dryer, and you have to melt it, like you have to make sure that the spritz is drying and your lace is melting on your skin, right? So I just use a comb just to remove those tiny hairs that stick on top of your lace. Yeah, I was just trying to avoid those. And then after that, I'm going to take this head wrap that I did. This is just from a silk t-shirt that I had, and it didn't fit me anymore, so I had to use it as a whatever they call this, head wrap, whatever. Yeah, but then I went and I did my face, and then I'll come back to show you guys how the lace had melted. Okay, but can we just have a moment for this wig? Yo guys, this wig has been through a lot. When I tell you, this wig was initially a 24 inches and it was black. I dyed it. I think I dyed it for like 2 times. Yeah, I dyed it 2 times. Yeah guys, this wig has been through a lot and I don't like it. This is my first wig ever. Before I even started selling hair. Like, do you guys understand how old this wig is? Yo. But yeah, I look so cute. But then yeah, let's go to my face and I'll be back.
Any day this life gon' flash before your eyes. In a girl like you, I see my whole design. And the way I feel for you can't be described, no. I lose my mind, yo. Like baby, yo, you drive me crazy, yo. But you not hear me though. I'm in your radio, put it all for you. Write this song for you. I've been gone.
Okay, but do you guys see how the lace was lacing? Do you guys see how the lace was stuck to the guards? I mean, child. Okay, so that's me trying to style the hair. I don't even know what I was doing. Do not ask me. But yeah, I was just doing whatever I felt like was right. Just trying to do a side part. I'm not a fan of side parts, but I just felt like, I've been doing middle parts, so let's just try something new. Another thing that I'm going to tell you guys about the Spritz technique is that you cannot do it if you want your lace to stay for the whole week. or you know how you would stay with your wig on if you had used the got to be glued spray or whatever. Yeah, you can't do that with the Spritz. I don't know if maybe I did it wrong or the brand that I used wasn't that strong or whatever. I don't know, you know, but that's what I'm just going to tell you, because at night when I was washing my face, the lace just came off. So I feel like this is just a 1 day thing, right? Right. Okay, so that was me defining the part. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, that was me defining the parting, and now I'm just going on with the wax stick, and I'm going to also go on with the hot comb just to, you know, flatten the baby. And yeah.
Money go low like Neo. I am the big idea. My twins big.